Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform a static video into a dynamic video using CapCut. So to do that, you can just use keyframes, and you can also use this trick to make a photo and to turn a photo into a video. So here I have both a static video and also a photo in here. So let's try to use the video. So add a keyframe at the start and then zoom it in, zoom the video like this. And here at the end, you can add the zoom out effect by zoom out the video back to its original size. So it will have this zoom out effect. And here you can also do that with a photo. So here I'm going to add a keyframe at the start of the photo. And at the end, I'm going to zoom it in. Okay, so now the photo will move like a video. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.